Hi guys, it's me. Yeah, I forgot my name. Alright, don't judge. Oh no. Live here, and today I'm playing Animal Jam, like I said on my other channel. This is my den. My name on Animal Jam is Flora, cuteseal. I'm a new jammer, but gaming girl. No. I'll give you a tour around my thingy-ma-ba-ba, and then I was planning on making another character with the same name and trolling people. Well, a different name and trolling people. So yeah. So first I'm setting a theme on a shop. So like a rubbish bin here, some store and table, this little thing I bought for £1,000. 1,000 gems, I mean. It was just so much. We bought it at the beach. I bought it at the beach thingy. I've got a tree. Down here we've got this carved bush. I don't know what they're called. If you know what carved bushes are called, comment down below. I have turned the music off. Yeah, that's the music. It's very disturbing. Seriously. I think it's like a cheetah or something. Down here, like a little donut tray, like tables and cushions. So as you can see, my plushies. I collected these plushies before we started the video. The black one though, I got my first ever one, and you can trade them. All this stuff I bought. I have the United States of America flag here. I don't know why. I don't even come from United States of America. I'm from England. This is like my counter. Obviously I did pink because my favourite colour is pink. I've got flowers, this bookshelf. Down here I've just a paddling pool and all my plushies. This is so cute! Woo! So cute! This is my bedroom. I have a little rug here by my A bookshelf. Pink. And that's the other fox. I got a double, yeah. Then this is my garden. I have had a pig fence, but I sold it to somebody. Or I think it was a cake, and then they said the cake for something. I can't remember. With a mop and brush with some lights and mess, and some presents, just because I thought it looked cool. So now I'm just going to show you all my character. I have a little hamster. It's so cute. I decorated her. So this is my character. What does this do? Remove items. Oh gosh, no. So I have all this clothing here. I am in love with pink though, so I'm keeping. And this stuff is on my trade list. So I know Libby might go on. My friend Libby might go on Animal Jam. So maybe we can trade for some things. You can't trade this one though. That one's not allowed in trade. So I like buy some things and put on trade. I have 73. Wow! Look at all these tickets. So yeah, I'm wearing all this stuff at the moment, and basically what you do in Animal Jam, you can choose the colour of your nose and the colour of your seal, like that colour, but I'm staying with white. White! Where's white? Is that white? Oh no, that's not white. I want white. And you can choose your eyes. There's this eye. People. But I've chosen all my stuff here. Flora, cuteseal. And here you have like your achievements. If it work, stop lagging. Okay, there we go. Some like achievements, lots and lots of achievements. I've been playing this for like a whole weekend now. So yeah, what we're gonna do now is we're going to just go out for a second. Let's go to. I know there's lots of people in nets. You can watch me now. Oh, okay. That was my sister saying. I'm just gonna go here and just say hi. I'm the best. I'm gonna follow. I'm following you. Wait, I've lost already. No. Okay, let's go hide somewhere. Oh, little cute pig. Have you got anything to trade? Nope, rubbish. I'm gonna add you though. She's so cute. So kawaii! Sorry, your ears might pop in a minute. Oh my god, my hamster will still be following me around. That'd be horrible. So I'm just gonna hide here. I'm gonna... You make a new animal. Oh my gosh, that is so kawaii. Okay, these ones are all locked. There's a turtle. I don't know what I want. There's a penguin, a koala, thingy, panda. Oh my god, I want a pig. There's a tiger. I don't know what to choose. I'm gonna go with the bunny. What? Wait. You have to pay? This is horrible. I can't make a new animal. Troll people. It's horrible. The whole game has trolled me. Look at me. So basically, I have nothing to do now. Disgusting behavior. Oh hi. Do you have anything? Trade me. Trade me. Trade me. Oh. Trade me. Trade me, please. I'll trade you if you trade me. What do you have? Nothing. Are you serial? Are you a serial killer? Kill cereal? Hey, I saw you earlier and I was chasing you down. I'm gonna add you while I can. Oh gosh! What? Wait. Whoa. I am now your buddy. Do you want to play a game together? Oh, you have some things on trade, man. Or girl. Would you want some necklaces for this plushie? You can trade these necklaces for good deeds. They help very much. I'm just going to trade all of these necklaces to her because I want the plushie so bad. Say yes, I'm your best friend, please. I'll cry if I don't get it. You don't want a poor girl crying. Look at that weirdo. Oh yes! I got it! I will accept it. I love it. I love you. I love you. I got the leopard. I got it. I got the plushie. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was so nice of you. I give you a kiss. Okay. This video is only going to be short because I don't have enough memory space for a long one. Okay, bye. I'm going to make some cotton candy. Shh. I'm making a video. Blue. So making cotton candy here. Wait, why don't you zoom in? You can put multiple colours. Purple! And obviously my favourite colour pink, if many of you knew that. It looks like blood splurring out. I don't know why I think that. Do any of you think that? So yummy! Mmm. Delicious. Oh look, we nearly have the same. Wait, she has the same hamster as me. Do you have anything? No, you don't. Wanna play a game? I'll beat you. We can play Scooped. I'm so good at Scooped. Yes. Yes, I know, Dan. Yeah, no, I know. Get out of my face. Waiting for the other player. Scooped! It's just being lag. 2, 3, 4, 0. She's not doing anything. Seriously? Mate, No! I got first place anyway. I got 20 gems! Woo! Oh! Oh, look at the pig pet. Oh, wait, I saw you just now. What is going on? I don't want to play ice cream. I'm going back on the bouncy castle. Fine. Can you go to sleep? Or bouncing? Okay. I don't really want to play, but it's with my friends, so whatever. Okay, no, I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play anymore. No hot order of everything. I got first place, another 20 gems, another 20 gems. I don't know why I wasn't talking. I need 1,000. Can I? Oh, that's so boring, dude. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, it's so laggy. Whee! The games I will be playing on this channel are like Club Penguin and Stuffy Stuffy like that. Animal Jam. Dude. This has been 13 minutes long. I'm gonna have to go now, guys. Wait, let's put my new plushie in my den, and yeah, we will be able to do this. Be able to. Oh. Why can't I move? That's good enough. So thanks so much, guys, for watching this video, and please add me because I'd love to see my fans if I have any fans, because I'm alone now. Whatever. See you guys. See you guys. Bye.